Next step is to populate these two columns B and C with sunrise and sunset information. I'm going to make this a little bit easy for you. So, in your Passmark course, just here's the video you're currently watching. Just above you can see all these dates. All you need to do is click and drag to highlight or select those dates. Right click and copy. Go to Excel, click in cell B2, right click. Now you've got paste options. You can paste like that, or you can paste like that. You see that? This one just pastes in the same formatting as your source, which was Passmark. This one will paste it in the same format as your destination. So obviously we want to choose that. So we click there and we paste. So you can see that we've got those columns. So you need to do that for me now. Okay, so Excel is used to calculate. Basically, it's used to set up automated calculations. We can use it to calculate the hours and minutes between column B and column C. In order to find out how many hours have lapsed between 7:58 AM and 4:28 PM, but we have to tell it in terms of the cells. So this formula equals cell C2, which is that cell. You can see it's now highlighted. Take away cell B2. If I press enter, you can see that it gives me exactly the amount of hours. Now it's given us that answer in AM, but that's okay, we'll leave that for now. Now all we have to do is highlight that cell and again just drag that little square down, and that will apply that formula to every single cell that I've selected. And you can see it's gone through and it's calculated all of those hours. Now you can see a bit of an error here. So we need to now format all of these cells to make them give us an acceptable answer. So in order to do that, we right click on the selected cells and we go down to format cells. Now in custom you can see that we've got hours, minutes, AM, PM. We don't want that AM, PM, we just want the hours and minutes to display. So you can see up here it shows me what it's going to look like, but if I click here you can see it doesn't have the AM or PM. So if I click on that, you can see it just gives us the answer of hours and minutes. So what we now have is a table. We've used a few little tricks and formulas to say, well, on the 1st of January 2013, the sun rose at 7:58, it set at 4:28, and that was 8.5 hours of sunlight. Well, you notice, the first thing you'll notice is that this is obviously a northern hemisphere readout of sunrise and sunset. That's okay, we just need to play with the data. So your job now is to go and create that formula